Do you like my birds? I consider them as friends. I feel a oneness with all life forms and with all peoples, which, by the way, is a problem for some of my viewers. They dislike my views and my videos, and they dislike them both, mostly on religious, racial, and political grounds. These people are usually nonverbal, but are willing to push the dislike button on my videos. So be it. So, be that as it may, I am who I am. It was very cold this morning, but they, my feathered and furry friends, were waiting for me. I fed them, and they in turn blessed me with their presence. I am so grateful. Do you like my birds?